Mistplay requires users to meet the minimum age requirement before they can create an account and earn rewards through the app. By the end, you'll know Mistplay's age requirement, why age verification matters, and what to check if you cannot sign up. The minimum age to use Mistplay depends on the rules and availability in your region. Mistplay requires users to meet the age requirements shown during account creation before they can access the app's rewards features. If you are trying to register and the app does not allow you to continue, check the date of birth entered during sign-up. An incorrect birth date can prevent account creation or limit access to features. Mistplay uses account information to make sure users meet eligibility requirements. This means entering accurate details during registration is necessary. If you already created an account with the wrong age information, changing your profile details may not always solve the issue. In some cases, you may need to contact Mistplay support through the app for help with account information. Another thing to check is whether Mistplay is available for your location. Eligibility can depend on where you live, not only your age. If you are old enough to use Mistplay but still cannot access rewards, check that the app is updated, your account details are correct, and your device meets the app requirements. Parents and younger users should also understand that Mistplay is a rewards platform with account rules that must be followed. Creating an account with false information can cause problems with account access or rewards. The quickest way to avoid sign-up issues is to enter your real information, review Mistplay's current requirements during registration, and contact support if the app blocks your account unexpectedly. The key points are simple. Mistplay has age eligibility rules. Your sign-up information needs to be accurate, and regional availability can affect whether you can use the app. Check your account details first, then contact Mistplay support if you still cannot complete registration. Subscribe for more Mistplay fixes and guides, and like the video if it helped you understand the age requirements.